Hi, I just wanted to show a little video that gives you step-by-step instructions on how to embed an image in a discussion post. So the first thing you want to do is click on the Embed Image button, and then you get to choose Flickr, unless you have an image already saved on Canvas. But I'll go ahead and go to Flickr and click Find Creative Commons Image on Flickr. And I'm going to type beach, and then I will search by clicking on the little magnifying glass or the search button. Once I find a beach that I think looks wonderful, makes me want to go on vacation, I'll go ahead and select it, and then what I'll do is I'll scroll down until I see the update button, and then I'll click on it. And here you go. What I like to do whenever I get an image from an online resource, I right click and then I open it in a new tab. By doing that, I can search the image and see if there's any licenses. And since it's in Creative Commons, of course there's going to be a license. It's CC by SA 2.0. I'll copy that. And then what I'll also do is I'll go back to my image that I just right-clicked on, find out who the person was that published it, and the name of the image, so I can include that information as the source. So I'll go back to my discussion post, and below my image, I'll press enter a couple times. I'll put image, source, beach is the name. I'll select the writer's name, copy that, then I'll paste it, and it's on Flickr. Licensed by, and then that would be, I'll copy the license and paste it here. Typically I like to put italics and I decrease the font a little bit. And that is how you can embed an image and cite your source.